Hi, I'm Jason Kennedy, the MD of R.West Son. We're a bespoke timber packaging company based at Richmond Walk in Plymouth. We make bespoke timber packaging for export, primarily for Plymouth, but also the whole of the Southwest, generally for engineering, for artwork, automotive, whatever industry we support it. Plymouth, I think, is a really good, close community of businesses that support each other, and we're also lucky enough to be so close to the coast and the moorland, so it's a really, really good place for our staff in terms of work to life balance. We've got a number of canoes in the factory. I joke with the lads that we've got as many canoes as we have saws, because weekends they're in here and they're out on their canoes and use this as their base, so it's a really, really good place to be. I think it has to be that we've been trading in Plymouth since 1910, so we're in our 115th year, all under family ownership. I don't know how many other businesses are in Plymouth that can say that, but I don't think there are many. It's all about growth. We've been here now for 2 years. We've moved from our previous site, which was a third of the size. We're working with more local customers to bring their business to us and support Devon, Cornwall and Plymouth, and the future is really bright for R.West Son.